Good morning and welcome to now Zen TV. So today we're heading from Belgium down through into France, Luxembourg, and then down into Germany to Bavaria. So I've got another 4 hours. We've been on the road 2 hours, got another 4 hours to go. Just want to share a little something with you about a friend of mine that's lying ill in hospital, Tommy. He's struggling with cancer and he's at the end of life. So just feeling a little bit reflective about the good times I've had with a good friend. So yeah, maybe a little somber drive down to Belgium, down to Baden Baden. Wishing him all the best. I'll post a couple of photos of Tommy and myself, and maybe share a little of our adventures on photography trips. So, but for now, I'm going to concentrate and drive through this yucky, heavy rain, which shows no signs of relent. So, for now, like, subscribe, please comment, hit the notification bell, and most of all, give a little thought, a little wish for Tommy. Thank you. Hello and welcome to Now Zen TV. We are just entering Luxembourg. Lots of EU flags flying. As you'll probably see as we drive by. Yes. And yeah, this is the first. This is a Now Zen TV first, and it's a first for me. Never been to Luxembourg before, and I find it very unlikely I'll stop in Luxembourg. Might stop for a cup of tea. See if they've got any Yorkshire tea anywhere. Yeah, may as well just stop for a bite to eat, perhaps, because we've got another sort of 3 hours or so to go until we reach Bavaria. So, a cup of tea may be a good idea. Spent the last sort of hour pondering my thoughts on my old buddy Tommy, wondering if he's still with us. Thinking back to some of the old adventures we've been on to Scotland, the Lake District, and many nights out. So I hope he's not suffering too much on his journey to the next realm. So while we're travelling to Luxembourg, I hope Tommy's travelling well to the next place. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and we shall touch base with you the next time we stop. Okay, take care for now. Bye-bye. So here we are on German Autobahn for the first time, and I looked to see what the speed limit was, and there's a white circle with a black marker through it, which I'm guessing means there is no speed limit. So, well, we'll see if we can keep up with some of these cars without getting too dangerous. Yeah, some of them are shifting. I'm doing 130, just 128 now, 129. Flying by. for now and bring you some more exciting footage later, other than driving down a motorway at whatever kilometres an hour. So bye for now. So we're driving into Bavaria and some mountains ahead of us. I'm not sure what they are. Some lovely scenery, and the roads are all really nice, as they all have been all the way through Belgium, France, Luxembourg, and now in Germany. All the roads have been virtually pothole free, really clean as well. There's no bags of rubbish, there's no McDonald's wrappers laying around. Yeah, so as I was saying, as you can see, it's beautiful roads, there's no potholes, the scenery is fantastic, lots of lovely fields, mountains in the distance. As far as the eye can see, the mountains stretch. I'll find out what stretch of mountains these actually are. I'll have to have a look on Google Earth on maps. First stop off in Germany is near Baden Baden. It's addressed as Baden Baden. Won't get a lot of time to look round. I've got a couple of photo spots planned if the weather holds out. Yeah, it's looking good. But what I can say is, if you were ever to make this journey yourself from Bruges area right down to Baden Baden, it's taken approximately 6 hours, and we have had a couple of stops, a little bite to eat, a little leg stretch, get the blood flowing, and otherwise, yeah, it's been pretty damn good. So I'll sign off for now. So don't forget, hit that notification button and please leave some comments. So take care, and I look forward to showing you some photographs. Thank you. Welcome again to yet another episode of Now Zen TV. And what I'm doing is just photographing this pyramid, if I wanted a better word. I saw this on the internet and thought I'd make a beeline down and come and photograph it. Looks really cool. I did the photographs anyway. Now I'm here. It's a shame that the sky is not great. I thought if I shot a little bit of infrared, a bit of drone footage, might get something quite interesting out of that. In terms of content to show. So at the moment I've got my Panasonic Lumix full spectrum converted S5, and I've put the hot mirror filter on, which converts it back into a normal standard camera. But I'm really fancying doing some 950nm black and whites for this scene, so I'm just going to swap the filters over and then I'll show you that process, but then I'll sign back in and show you flying the drone as well around it. So I'll check back with you in a second. So what we've got here is what's known as a hot mirror filter by Kalari Vision. This actually changes the camera back to an ordinary day, everyday filter. And what I'm going to put on in replacement of it is this 950nm black and white infrared style filter. There we go. So I look forward to showing you these images. just going to show you around this place. On the inside, oh, some nice acoustics. Looks a little bit